Hey Neo,
Hello, the bandit. How can I assist?
I want to start training.
Opening training menu. Select a module. Please select a training module by saying something like Basic Training Forklift. Or you can say Closed Training. The bandit, are you still with me? If you need me, just say Hey Neo.
Hey Neo,
Select the training option.
close training.
Closing training menu.
Hey Neo,
Hello, the bandit. How can I assist?
speak less.
I will now respond with short statements.
Hey Neo,
Hey.
open training.
Opening.
Basic training forklift.
Opening.
Next page. Next page. Previous page. Lesson 104.
Starting.
Load and weight distribution. In this lesson, we will learn what comprises a proper load and the importance
Hey,
of
Neo.
weight distribution in lift truck operation.
Stop training.
Proper load.
Closing.
Hey Neo,
Hey.
speak more.
I will now provide a detailed response in our conversations.
Hey Neo,
Hello, the bandit. How can I assist?
never mind.
Okay.